In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new task in ClickUp. Super quick guide. We're going to keep this simple and efficient while still giving you the context you need to feel confident using it right away. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and which quick options help your tasks get to the right person at the right time. Start by opening ClickUp and heading to your overview area. I'm using a Kanban style view because it makes it easy to see tasks move through stages. But the process works the same from any list or board. The key here is to make sure you're in the right space and folder before you create anything, so your tasks land where your team expects them. A moment spent confirming the location saves a lot of cleanup later. Next, choose the correct list for this task. In my case, I'm clicking into the sales list. You'll want to choose whichever list represents the part of your workflow where this task belongs. Sales, marketing, development, customer success, or anything else you've set up. Lists are how you keep responsibilities separated, so putting the task in the right place makes reporting, filtering, and handoffs much smoother. Now click Add Task. A new task composer will open, usually with a spot to type your task name. Give your task a clear, action-focused title that others will understand at a glance. Think Prepare Q2 Outreach Plan instead of Plan, or Draft Onboarding Email Copy instead of just Email. Short, specific titles make it easier to scan your board, and they help your teammates know exactly what needs to happen without digging into details. If your team uses naming conventions, like including a client, product, or sprint code in the title, stick to those now so your list stays consistent. With the title in place, click Save. This confirms the task and adds it to your board or list. You'll see it appear immediately. Saving right away is a good habit because it ensures the task exists, even if you step away or switch tabs. After saving, you can still open the task to adjust details, but getting it saved first keeps the process quick and reliable. Once the task is saved, assign it to the person who's responsible for completing it. You can add an assignee directly from the task card or inside the task details, depending on your layout. If you're working solo, assigning tasks to yourself helps with planning and reminders.